First things first, I need a cup of coffee. A little more. Hey everyone, it is 32 degrees outside and the sun is shining. I want to take you for a little walk and show you the garden. Little garden tour video. Do you see what I see? Asparagus. And the greatest news of all is this year we can eat it. So we planted asparagus. We started them inside and then brought them outside to our new asparagus bed. Watched them grow and seed themselves. And we couldn't eat them. Nope. You're not supposed to eat asparagus till at least the third year. So look at that. Jason's going to be so happy. This probably won't even make it into the house. He'll probably eat it raw. So asparagus is popping up. Success. Get all the new growth on the lavender. That is fantastic. She made it through winter. Yay. We have some plants that we're going to be digging up probably in the next week or two. And one of them is this one here. This is the columbine. Beautiful plant. Can't wait to move it out front. Now that those trees are gone, we have sunshine and they can get out of the garden. Our beautiful yellow daylily will also be moving up front. Rhubarb is just taking off. Whoop, whoop. Chives. We've already been eating some. They've already had a haircut twice. Yay. Check out the kale. Made it through its first winter. Hostas are coming back up. Yay. And more hostas. Grass around the pool's growing beautifully. Yay. Our mullein is growing. We are starting to get buds on the cherry tree. So when the magnolia tree starts to drop their beautiful pink flowers, the cherry trees will bloom. A little bit more pop of color in the yard. Apple trees are budding. Lovely buds. Tiger lilies have taken off. Whoop, whoop. Gotta love spring. There's a nest in this one too. So in the front of the house, now that those trees are gone, this rhododendron, say that 5 times fast, should really take off. Look at those buds. It's going to be beautiful flowers. In the front of the house, we have some peonies, some ground cover, a little bit of grass growing in there. But this is where we are moving. Some of those beautiful flowers from the garden are coming here because now they have sun. Yay! Trees are gone. So excited to plant more flowers in the front of the house now that they have sun. Yay. Daffodils bloomed. Iris is by the mailbox. Ugh, there's always a dandelion. Gotta get rid of him. Good enough for now. We got him by the root. We always use vinegar spray anyway. Do you guys know about that vinegar Epsom salt dish soap spray? Irises on the base of the magnolia tree are taking off. So pretty. Well, there it is. It's a red tulip in the yard. After that flower dies off, I'll dig that bulb back up and we'll go put it back in the front of the house. Thank you, squirrel. Happy days. Is the whole cactus transplanting debacle is now done, and all of these plants are getting moved to a different room. Oh, so happy about that. Yay. Transplanting cactus is done. Do you have an old blind in your house? We do. And instead of throwing it out, I decided to cut it up. And those are my new markers for my garden versus throwing it out. So many people in the garden tour club hosted by Gail at Gail's Southern Living have already planted outside. And here Jason and I are just starting our seeds because we can't plant outside until the end of May due to all the frost. But soon all of our veggies are going to be popping up. Exciting time. And the garden waits. Cherry hot peppers, Roma tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, basil, cilantro, hot banana peppers, green bell peppers, jalapenos. Ah, such a great time. We even planted some fennel. Yay, our garden is going to be growing soon. So excited to see them pop up. This is our rosemary that we started last year, but she was so young I didn't want to take a chance of putting her in the ground and her dying through her first winter. So I brought her in. She has a lot of good roots now, and she will go in the garden this year. And even though it's only 50 degrees outside, rosemary doesn't mind the cooler temperatures. So I've been getting her used to them and bringing her outside on these warmer days. So cheers to rosemary going in the garden this year. We're going to be doing some trimming. Morel mushroom. And look at that. Another morel mushroom. Yay. Thank you for stopping by. Say happy Thursday. Thursday. Road trip. There'll be a link in our description for Gail's Southern Living, where you can go and watch so many other gardens grow in the Garden Tour Club. Gail is also doing monthly giveaways. Somebody that left a comment on our video last month won a $25 gift certificate for Amazon. Who will win next? Good luck, all.